What's up, guys? And today I'm skirmish in a Cimandala scout camp in the field. The field is an outdoor and indoor, so I'm using the G36 for my primary gun. Here I'm using the rifle. So enjoy this gameplay.
Awas ada yang flank ya. Oke.
In this moment, I'm trying to see how many enemies in there, but I can't see them. So I decide to maybe for upping from the toilet. I'm asking my friends how to be the enemies here.
Rama masuk, Rama.
As you can see, I didn't hit him because it's so fast. So I decide to fall back, and enemies know where I am, and this is not good for aiming first position. One enemy down. It's left for the one guy from front of him. It's very hard to shoot him and very hard to pick him from this distance and from this way. So I decide to flank him from the right. Yeah, I got him. One more. Perfect shot. I got his finger. So it's clear for the front of us this prison, so it's safe, but there are 3 enemies left behind for the burst, so it's very hard to hit him.
Ngepron. Ya di semak-semak paling bawah.
This way I decide to rush them all. So I'm running through the trees so I can flank them from the left side, and I can hit one by one. The first guy is out of BBs, so yeah, I win. And the second guy, it doesn't hit me, so I can free hit and free kill for him.
Yo.
Bang. Woo. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.